Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily English. Thank you for watching.
Patrick, I'm about to go to my work. Do you need anything for the school? I'm fine, Dad. If I need something, I will tell you later, or when I need it, okay? Patrick, why don't you come here and say goodbye to your father? Be a good son. I can't now, Dad. You know, I am busy at this time of the day. I have things to do. Oh, come on. Can you please stop playing your video games for a while? I'm not playing video games. I'm doing my homework. I always do it in the mornings. Seriously? And why don't you do it at nights, like the rest of the people do? Because I go to Mike's home every night, since we have a project to do. But you don't know that. Oh, I knew it. It is just that I didn't remember. What project are you doing? I also told you that. We're doing a science project for the science teacher. Oh, that's great. Why don't you tell me more about that project? I want to know. Why do you want to know about that now? Aren't you late for work this time, or what? No, my son. I have some time before going to work. I always have time for you. Seriously, you're so funny. You're never at home at this time of the day. Yeah, because I need to work to pay the bills, food, and all the necessary things for you and Mom. Yeah, okay. Thank you for that. You're doing fine. We have everything here at home, don't worry. Look, I know I am not at home every day, but you need to understand, I really need to work. I get it, Dad. You don't need to explain it to me. I understand everything, don't worry. Okay, then why don't we have breakfast together, huh? Just you and me. Breakfast? You never have breakfast here. I thought you liked eating at your work. Yeah, but I want to have breakfast with you today. Your mom is not at home. Come on. I'm not hungry, Dad. Besides, I need to finish with my homework. Thank you. Come on, son. It is a great idea. Let's have breakfast together. Come on. Dad, I'm telling you, I'm not hungry. Also, this homework is important for my record. Patrick, we will have breakfast together, okay? Come on, son. I'll make it for you. God, okay. I'll be there in a minute. Just let me finish with something. Alright, excellent. I'll prepare it and go downstairs in about 10 minutes, okay? Okay, Dad. If you say so, I'll be there in 10 minutes. So, how's your burger? I made it with cheese and bacon as you like it. You still like it, right? No, Dad. I liked it when I was a child, but I'm not anymore. Oh, I see. Well, then you need to eat all your food, okay? You need it. If you say so. And Mom never makes burgers for breakfast. That's not healthy. Oh, I thought you would like it. Anyway, tell me, how's school going these days? It's going well. Last day, something weird happened, but I don't think you want to hear it. No, tell me. I know we don't talk very often, but I want to hear what you have to say. Well, if you say so, one of our teachers had an accident in the laboratory. Wow, what happened? Which of your teachers had an accident? My math teacher, Mrs. Carmen. She was walking and then she slipped and fell down. Oh God, I'm sorry to hear that. Is she okay now? Did she get injured? No, Dad, she's not okay. She broke her leg, and now she's not going to school. Oh, that's terrible. Did your parents and you go to her home to visit her, or not yet? Yeah, we went last week. My mom made a cake for her, and we all went to her home to say hi. I knew it. Your mom makes the best cakes in the city. They're really tasty. Yeah, she's here at home, so she knows about what happens to me, and so on. Well, she has more time than me because she doesn't work as I do. You know that. Probably. I know she works hard, but she makes time for me every day. Maybe. Look, Patrick, I know I have been a little absent here, but I want to improve that. Why do you say that? I don't remember the last time we talked about me or anything else. Yeah, I know. It was also hard for me. I had to work really hard to get some things. I know that. I already told you. It's okay. I get it. You don't have to explain. No, but I want to do things better now. I want to spend more time with you, like father and son. Why do you want to do that? It's the first time you tell me something like that. That's why I'm telling you that. I want to do things better. We will have more time for us, okay? Well, if you say so. My project is the next week. Maybe you can go. Seriously? Of course. When and what time is it going to be? It will be on Wednesday. I'm not sure about the time, but it will be at break time, I suppose. On Wednesday. I have an important meeting that day. Oh, I see. I knew it. Don't worry. That's okay. No, forget what I said. Of course I will go. This is more important. That's okay, Dad. If you have to work, you can do it. Mom will go with me. I'm sure of that. Patrick, you are more important than my work, and I want to show you that this is for real. Okay, but if you can't go, you just tell me, okay? It is not a must. No, I know it is not a must, but I do want to go to your project presentation, seriously. Okay, Dad. We made one of the best projects. You'd like it. Of course, you are the best. What if we go to the movies after finishing with that project? To the movies? Okay, I like the idea. I want to see the new Marvel movie. Great. And after the movies, we will come home and have dinner with your mom. Seriously? Wow, it's been a long time since the three of us eat together. Wow. I know, son, but things will change from now on. I promise that. That's cool. I would love to spend more time with you and Mom. Thank you, Dad. Oh, you don't need to thank me. I am your dad, and I have to make you feel happy. Thank you anyway, and the burger is delicious. You have talent to be a good chef. You're kidding, right? It's horrible. Why don't we go to eat something out? You are right. Okay, let's go, Dad. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us